Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about Jumbotron class in Bootstrap. So let's start. Jumbotron class indicates a big gray box for calling extra attention to a special content or information. It means if you want to display some information, some important information on your website, or you want to highlight some important information on your website, then you can use this Jumbotron class. Or else it is also used for giving heading to your website. If you want, it is also used for writing the heading of your website so that your heading of the website is highlighted. Okay. Inside Jumbotron, you can put any valid HTML, including other Bootstrap elements or classes. So Jumbotron class is also used with your div tag element. We can create Jumbotron using two classes. One is your Jumbotron class and second is your Jumbotron fluid class. So now let's see with a practical how exactly the Jumbotron class will appear on your website. Okay, so first we will use Jumbotron class and we will display this information, that is Bootstrap tutorials, inside that Jumbotron class. So dot Jumbotron. So we have added Jumbotron class to one div tag, and this contain I am going to write inside this Jumbotron class. Okay, save it and let's see how it looks. So this is how the information will be displayed on your website if you use Jumbotron class. Okay, now here you can see that all the four corners of your Jumbotron is rounded, right? So if you do not want this rounded corners for your Jumbotron, then you can use Jumbotron fluid class also. So here we will add one more class, that is Jumbotron fluid, and save it. So now see, there is no rounded corners. Okay, so this way you can use Jumbotron and Jumbotron fluid class together. Then suppose you, as I said in the theory part, that inside the Jumbotron class you can also have different types of HTML elements as well as different Bootstrap classes. So now I am going to add container class inside the Jumbotron class. So this contain I will display inside the container. Okay, so now inside the Jumbotron we have created one container class, and this content I am displaying on my container. Okay, save it and execute. So as you can see, container, as you know that in container we have two classes. One is your container class and one is your container fluid class. So container fluid class will take the full width, right? Let's add some style sheets so that you will get to know from where our exactly container class is starting. Okay, so now here in the CSS file, I have applied some color to the Jumbotron class, and for container I have added some border and color to the border. So this is how your output will look. So this brown part is your Jumbotron, and inside that Jumbotron class we have created one container, and then we have displayed some text on that inside that container. Okay, now suppose here if I use container fluid, okay, so what will happen now? This container fluid will take the complete width, right? So it will look like this because it covers the complete width of your div tag. Okay, so this is how you can use the combination of Jumbotron and container to highlight or to display any text on your website. You can also have Jumbotron class inside the container class. For example, for now I am removing this, and first I will write dot container. Okay. So now inside the container I am going to have this Jumbotron class. So now here first I am creating the container, and inside that container I am going to have what? Jumbotron class. And on that Jumbotron class I am going to display this text. Okay. So you can write in this way also. So see, this is your container. First we have created the container, and inside the container we are having our Jumbotron class. Okay. If you do not want, now I'm just removing this CSS for the container. It is not needed. Just for the understanding I have given those CSS properties. So again I will. So now it's looking good. Okay. So this way you can use the Jumbotron class and container class to highlight any of the information on your website, or even for the title or heading of your website. So I hope you have understood. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos.
Like and share videos with your friends.